Alright, this is my '03 Dodge Ram 5.7 liter Hemi. Just a walk around video, kind of an update from the last one I made a month, 2 months ago I guess. Got some new headlights. They kind of restrict the light coming out, so I guess it makes it a little more dangerous when I drive at night, but really not that bad. I'll sacrifice a little bit of safety for some looks. Sorry, truck's not as clean as it should be. Washed it a couple days ago, but dark colors just aren't that easy to keep clean. I gotta back up. It's got a custom roll pan already done when I got the truck. I had tint spray on my tail lights that blacked it out on the factory tail lights, but it wouldn't pass inspection, so I had to get these. They're okay. It's got a dual Flowmaster Super 44 exhaust with 4-inch stainless steel tips. Custom license plate, stealthy, quiet. My truck is anything but quiet. Friends can hear me coming a mile down the road, especially if I romp on it. Interior is pretty basic, nothing too fancy. Trust me, if it was anything, if it was my decision, or if I had the money to do it, I wouldn't have done it blue. Previous owner did that. Manual windows. Doesn't have any carpet. It's got, I don't know, whatever material like the work trucks come in, which I like better than carpet because I don't have to worry about keeping it clean. If like mud or something, just wipes right down. And I'll let you hear the exhaust. If anybody's wondering, kind of the controversy between getting the 4.7 and the 5.7 in the Dodge, that's kind of was my big deal, was gas mileage purposes. I live in Fort Worth, Texas, nothing but city driving, stop signs, stop lights, everything, and I still get 13, 14 in the city. Usually drive, keep it around 2,000 RPMs when I accelerate. I usually brake pretty hard. Romp on it occasionally. I mean, with the Hemi and then the aftermarket exhaust, you can't not romp on it. But I still get, averaging about 14. And then I took a trip and got 17 on the highway, so but you usually don't buy a truck for the gas mileage anyways. But if you want to hear me rev it up, go to my profile, and on my featured video, I rev it up a couple times on that. And check out my other videos. I got a couple of them racing a friend's, got a Silverado, racing my friend's Mustang. Let's go ahead and check that out. I guess that's about it.